How to download install Go programming language. Next, setup in VS Code. It is free and open source, supported by Google. Browser open. Google search box lo Go enter. Enter key press. Go.dev. The Go programming language. First link, mouse left click. Go redirectory official web page, complete display. An open source programming language supported by Google. Left side supporting OS. Windows 64-bit, second one Mac OS, third one Linux. Present Windows setup. Second button download click. All releases versions. Featured downloads section lo Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, ARM64, Apple Mac OS x86_64 Linux source. First one Microsoft Windows. First one click. Download section lo go.latest version 1.24.2 Windows AMD 64.msi file downloading process start. File size 68.7 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. After downloading process completed, installation setup process. Show in folder icon click. Download folder lo Go MSI file display, mouse right click. First option open click. Preparing to install. Download folder minimize. Browser minimize. Go programming language AMD 64 latest version 1.24.2 setup window lo welcome to the programming language wizard. Second button next click. Third button next click. Destination folder installation programming language default path display in box. Program files remove. Second button next click. Ready to install Go programming language. Second button install click. Install into Go programming language. Please wait while the setup wizard install Go programming language. Status lo checking process start. Go installer window lo first button yes click. Installation process start. Wait and here few seconds. Status copying new files. Completed the Go programming language window display. Second button finish click. Download folder reopen. Left side this PC option select. New volume C select open. Installed programming language folder Go. First one open. Second folder bin open. Address bar lo mouse left click, mouse right click. Second option copy select. Download folder minimize. Windows search box lo edit the system environment variables enter. First option select. System properties window lo last button environment variables click. Second option system variables section lo path select. Second button edit click. Right side first button new click, mouse right click. Paste option select. OK click. User variables for PC. First option section lo first button new click. Variable name Go root. Second one variable value. Mouse right click. Paste select. OK click. OK click and OK click. Windows search box lo CMD type. First option command prompt select. Go text command enter. Go space version. Enter key press. Version installed 1.24.2 Windows AMD 64-bit supported. Shell window close. Windows search box lo VS Code enter. First option select. VS Code user interface complete dark mode display. Get started with VS Code page close. Left side first icon Explorer, click. Open folder button, click. Left side desktop, select. Mouse right click. New option, select. Subpanel of folder, click. Delete key press. Go projects, enter key press. First button, select folder, click. First button, yes, I trust the authors, click. Welcome page, close. Left side window lo newly created folder, go projects, display. Fifth icon, extensions, click. Search box lo type go. Second one, go, select. go.dev, supported Google. Blue color button, install, click. First button, trust publisher and install, click. Installing process start. Code runner, select. Already install extension code runner, page close. First icon, explorer, click. Left side first icon, new file, click. Enter the file name, charitech dot extension, go. Enter key press. Created file display charitech.go. Default output text hello world, remove charitech info. Enter. Enter key press. Terminal menu, click. New terminal, select. File menu, click. Save option, select. Right side top section lo run code icon, click. Output terminal window lo charitech info display.